The hours you have spent from creating your poster for your client as well as from your project can now be easily generated by using Canva. In this Canva course, I will teach you how to master the art of poster in Canva, as well as I will teach you how you can easily create some of the unique and amazing poster. My name is Manthan Patel and I have helped thousands of students in changing their art life by using Canva. In this course, I will guide you how you can elevate your journey of poster creation to new heights by using Canva. We will start by learning about Canva, creating about Canva, getting know what is Canva and how things works in Canva. After you have mastered all the certain skills that require from poster creation in Canva, I will show you how I create a new poster campaign by using Canva. This course is designed from anyone interested in looking how you can make poster in Canva regardless of any prior experience in graphic designing as well as in Canva. Right from the first lesson, you will learn how you can create amazing art of poster design in Canva, and you will enhance more in the upcoming lectures.